Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up your Sky Broadband hub. Inside the box, you should see the Sky Broadband hub, power the cable, internet cable, and a microfilter. You should be able to see a sticker on your hub with details like your default Wi-Fi network. Plug the microfiber into the phone socket. Use the provided gray DCL cable to connect the Sky Broadband hub to microfilter's DSL socket. Plug the power adapter into the back of your Sky hub and plug the power cable into a wall socket. Then press the power button to turn on the device. Wait for the light indicators to flash. The Sky hub will take a few minutes to initialize. The power light will blink while it connects to the internet. The Wi-Fi and internet lights will eventually turn solid when the connection is established. Now, the default details are printed on the sticker of the bottom of the Sky Hub. On your computer, tablet, or phone, go to Wi-Fi settings and select your Sky Hub's network. Enter the password from the sticker to connect. Now, all you have to do is test your connection. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.